Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda 3's rear wiper blade. It's a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely and the ignition is completely off. You'll need a new wiper blade, typically 12 inches long, and perhaps a small flathead screwdriver for some models. Placing a towel on the rear window is also a good idea to prevent any accidental damage. Now, let's remove the old blade. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the entire old wiper blade assembly straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the window, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new 12-inch wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook or connector on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly in place and won't come loose during operation. Almost done, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper. Watch it closely to ensure it moves smoothly across the glass and provides a clear, streak-free wipe. This quick check confirms your new blade is working perfectly. Remember to dispose of your old wiper blade properly to complete the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.